Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall continue with grammar lesson number 6, revision of tenses. Now next come the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is also used when we want to talk about an action that is happening nowadays and not necessarily just now at the present moment. For example, my mother is learning to use the computer nowadays. We want to talk about a definite program in the near future. For example, we are going to my grandmother's house during the vacation. Now next come the simple present or the present continuous tense. We use a simple present tense when we talk about an action that occurs regularly. For example, I go to school by bus every day. The earth rotates around its own axis and revolves round the sun. Films entertain people of all kinds. If you look carefully at the words in bold, you will find that all of them are in the simple present tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about an action that is going on in the present, while the simple present tense is used to talk about an action that occurs regularly. For example, I say my prayers every evening. This is simple present tense. And next one, I am saying my prayers now. That is present continuous tense. Now exercise 4, filling the blanks with the present continuous tense of the verb given in the bracket. First one, I am studying English grammar at the moment. Next, the teacher is teaching us unit 1 today. Next, we are just learning more about the tenses. Next, the students are writing now. Next, the officers often take 1 day leave, but today they are taking 2 days leave. Next, they often help that poor girl. This time also, they are helping her. Next, she is doing her homework, but her sisters are playing. Next, listen to me, Sushila. What are you doing? Next, Bhushan is a farmer. He is busy farming these days. And the last one, we are going for a family picnic today. The next topic is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is also used when we speak of past action that continued for a period of time. For example, I was listening to the radio last night. We speak of the action that naturally took some time to complete. For example, my father was cleaning the car this morning. Or we speak of two past action that took place at the same time. For example, while I was studying, she was playing. The simple past tense is used when we are talking about an action that happened in the past, while the past continuous tense is used when we are talking about an action that continued for some time in the past. For example, I was sleeping soundly, but when the alarm rang, I woke up immediately. In this sentence, the action of sleeping is going on for some time, while the action of ringing and waking up are completed. The past continuous tense is the was, were plus ing form of the verb. For example, a strange figure was following him. Non-action verbs generally do not take the past continuous tense. For example, did you hear that noise? We also use the past continuous combined with the simple past to show an action in progress when another action took place. For example, he heard a strange noise while he was crossing the bridge. Exercise 5, filling the blanks with the past continuous tense of the verb given in the bracket. First one, Mercy was reading a book when the light went off. Next, we were driving home when we saw the accident. Next, I was dusting the house while my sister was washing the dishes. Next, the boys were playing football when it started to rain. Next, the women next door were talking throughout the night. Next, Pooja was writing a letter to her pen friend in Denmark. Next, everyone was sleeping when the earthquake took place. Next, Hazel was baking cookies when the doorbell rang. Next, my neighbor was painting his fence the whole afternoon. And the last one, the students were leaving the classroom when the principal entered. Our next topic is future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used for an action that will go on for some time in the future. For example, we shall be studying by the time you return. They will be painting the house next week. Now exercise 6, filling the blanks with the future continuous tense of the verbs given in the bracket. First, my friend will be waiting for me at the restaurant tomorrow at 8 in the evening for dinner. Next, I will be going to Kathmandu next month for a holiday. Next, we will be reading in grade 7 in the next academic session. Next, I will be watching my favorite program on the National Geographical Channel at the weekend. Next, I will be studying very hard for the examination next month. Next, by this time tomorrow, we will be flying to Singapore. Next, my parents will be taking me to the zoo next week. Next, Kirti will be staying in the hotel till next Saturday. Next, the directors will be postponing the meeting indefinitely. And the last one, the bell will be ringing soon. Exercise 7, filling the blanks with the appropriate tense of the verb given in the brackets. First, Bharat reads the Bhagavad Gita every day. Next, I will finish my work by tomorrow evening. Next, Maua sang a lovely song at the function last week. Next week, father will go to Pune. Next, our team won the match last year. Next, Winfred wrote many letters to his mother while he was away. Next, John wants to become a doctor. And the last one, Grigory sleeps every afternoon between 2 to 4 p.m. Exercise 8, filling the blanks with the appropriate tense of the verb given in the brackets. First one, you look really great. That dress you are wearing really suits you. Next, what were you doing when the accident occurred? Next, I tried to change the light bulb that burnt out. Next, I will be studying in grade 10 5 years from now. Next, people who build buildings are called mason. So why are you calling this man an architect? Next, I came to Mumbai 6 months ago. I started going to school 3 months ago. Next, Samarth will arrive at the station at 5 o'clock. Next, Sonam was living in Berlin when the Berlin Wall came down. Next, if Veena keeps taking holidays, she will lose her job. And the last one, shh, be quiet, Jia is sleeping. With this, we have completed lesson number 6. I hope, dear children, you have understood it. Thank you.